Hello my viewers, I trust you're all well. In today's video, I'll be backtesting gold, GBP, USD and Nasdaq using the high win rate MACD strategy with the killzone times found on my channel. Without wasting time, let's get to it. First, we have gold. As price moves into London killzone time, we wait for the MACD to cross in the 1 hour time frame to give us a signal, in which it does for a sell setup. Once the MACD has crossed, we go into a lower time frame. In this example, we will look into the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, we have missed the London killzone and will wait for the New York killzone to enter. We set a sell limit using a 1.5 times RR and wait for price to profit us, in which it does. Moving on to GBP USD. Before scouting for setups, I noticed the MACD and price moving in opposite directions, in which in my book tells me something is fishy and the market can go both ways. As you can see, as price is moving down, the MACD indicator failed to be going lower. That tells me bulls are about to enter the market. As watching price, the MACD crosses, giving me a buy signal to give me more confidence that the bulls are close. I switch over to the 15-minute time frame and notice price above the 50 moving average, and it's within the New York killzone time. So I put a buy limit with a 1.5 times RR as I trust the strategy, and just like that, we are in profits. Lastly, we have Nasdaq. Nasdaq killzone times are different as it is not a currency pair but a measurement of stocks. These are killzone times for Nasdaq: 8:45 to 11 AM New York time zone. You can follow exact procedures on how to add vertical lines from my previous video. As I am watching price, I wait for the MACD line to cross to give me a signal to look for. As watching the MACD cross to give me a sell setup, I quickly switch over to the 15-minute time frame and wait to see what price does in the killzone time for Nasdaq. Unfortunately, we did not get the early entry, but sure enough get an entry to profit from, as we wait for the MACD to close below the 15 moving average. We set a sell order using a 1.5 times RR and wait for price to profit us. Surely enough it does, very fast. Well, of course. Always know this: there is no strategy that is 100% a win-win for all. There are rules and procedures to follow. Nobody said this business will be easy. Take care now until the next video. By the way, I have a nice surprise for you that includes a 10-episode series on trading, including smart money concepts. Ciao!